Hi, my name is Earl Hall. I'm the owner of Earl Hall Studio. Let me ask you a question. You have a corporate narration piece, an explainer video, a whiteboard video, a commercial that you need to do in order to get across what you want to get across about your business or service. Who would you rather have do your narration? A voice actor or someone that actually understands the language of business? Now, I've run businesses over the last 2 decades in the engineering sector, the nonprofit sector, as well as the marketing sector and tech sector. And I have an intimate knowledge and understanding of what you need to communicate. It's one thing to hire a voice actor, but it's a whole other thing to hire someone that knows exactly what needs to be expressed the way you want to express it. I can kind of put it in this context as well. At your next corporate event, who do you want representing you on stage? Do you want a voice actor or do you want someone that understands business? This is what I understand, and this is what I know how to communicate. If I can be of help to you, let me know.